Alright, here we go. Waterboarding. The Hornady Black 223 round hollow point, firing out 2,790 feet per second. The first board. Entering the first board, water jug. Second board. Here we go. Entering the first board, goes through the water jug. Second board. Hopefully catch the bullet. And have these extras for stopping the bullet. And let's do it. All right, nice and easy, easy peasy. That's one thing about these, are just like the AR. They take the AR mags. So does that make this an assault bolt action rifle? They take the AR mag so you can't close up the bolt. Whoops! I dry fired. No! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go for another round of Bohemian ballistics. And we have impact. Definitely gotta adjust just a hair on those. Hitting, but we're roughly just a little over a finger from the base of the board. And tiny little hole coming out, going through. And we have going in right here. It's still all about the same height from what I'm guessing at. Close, so it ain't really changed much. Popped the first contestant out of the chute. And here we go. I do believe it's just, we went through two. Water jug, caught it. I'm assuming it's caught. There we go, we got bullet. We have bullet. We definitely have bullet. And I wouldn't be surprised if some is in there still. Nope. Oh yeah. Well, we got chunks of it, pieces. That's about it. Split the wood all the way up. Stay almost level, flying through. Good solid hitting round. I am very impressed. Let's go ahead and empty this jug out. If it's going through that much and slowing down like that, so when you're hitting live game with it, that means it's impacting with so much force and then stopping that quick. That means that force is being released, and that game you're shooting deer, hogs, whatever you're shooting with it, it's being released and staying inside of them, which is good, instead of going through and keep going. That means the energy really isn't being released into that deer. So with it stopping like that, that means all that punch is just slamming the brakes right on that shoulder shot of a deer and staying in there with the heart and lungs. That is a good bullet. Like I said, I am totally impressed with these Hornady Black rounds, which means they will probably stop the production of them here pretty quick. Alright, here's the bullet. For a hollow point, y'all can see, I mean, going through wood, 2x4s, it's, you know, gonna eat the bullet up, so you're not gonna have a pretty looking bullet afterwards. But as you can see, is definitely, that's the bottom of it, shrooming up, spreading out, you know, expanding. It would be expanding greatly. I'm gonna do a water catch, just not today with it. But there's a piece of the lead, little shards in there, broke up, shattered up. I am really digging the hell out of this bullet. It has definitely become my 223 hunting load. Outstanding.